At least 40 Palestinians were killed by Israeli fire on Monday, half of them near an aid distribution site operated by the US-backed Gaza Humanitarian Foundation, according to Gaza's health ministry. Medics reported that 20 people died and 200 were injured near the aid site in Rafah. The incident is part of a series of mass shootings that have killed hundreds of Palestinians trying to access food after Israel introduced a new distribution system, partly lifting a nearly 3-month total blockade. The Gaza Humanitarian Foundation, backed by the US, now handles much of the aid distribution at 3 sites guarded by Israeli troops. The United Nations has rejected this system, calling it dangerous, inadequate, and a violation of humanitarian impartiality. The Israeli military has not commented on Monday's shootings. In past cases, it has admitted to opening fire near aid sites while blaming fighters for triggering violence. Relatives of victims gathered at Nasser Hospital to mourn. One survivor, Ahmed Fayed, said, "We went there thinking we would get aid to feed our children, but it turned out to be a trap, a killing." UNRWA head Philippe Lazzarini condemned the situation, calling it a lethal distribution system. He noted that despite aid being ready for delivery, Israel continues to restrict UN agencies from bringing it into Gaza. Israel claims Hamas has been diverting aid, which Hamas denies, accusing Israel of using hunger as a weapon. COGAT, Israel's aid coordination agency, said it facilitated the entry of 292 humanitarian aid trucks this week. Before Monday's incident, Gaza's health ministry reported over 300 people killed and 2,600 injured near GHF aid sites. UN Rights Chief Volker Turk said Israel has weaponized food and called for investigations. He also condemned Israeli rhetoric, calling it dehumanizing and reminiscent of the gravest of crimes.